Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Google Weather app not working. Open your phone settings and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Tap on show system processes and search for weather. Once you get it, tap on weather. Tap on storage usage, clear cache, and clear your weather data. Tap on back, and from this list tap on Google. Tap on uninstall updates, uninstall. Okay, now go to your Play Store and search here Google. Now update your Google app from here, and once you updated your Google app, now open your weather and check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.